Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the vacuum so it works efficiently and safely. First, empty the dustbin or replace the bag if it's at about 75% full. This restores suction quickly. Then, remove and check the primary filter. A clogged filter reduces airflow, so wash or swap it as recommended. Once done, clear the room of large debris and cords and plug into a tested outlet. Make sure the cord won't be in your path so you can begin cleaning right away. Now, set the vacuum to the correct mode for the surface so you capture dirt without damage. Choose hard floor or carpet mode and lower or raise the brush height if available. The brush should barely touch the surface. You should work in overlapping passes, push and pull slowly, because one steady pass picks up more than fast random strokes. Once you reach edges and furniture, switch to attachments. The crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery nozzle pick up what the main head can miss. Finish by emptying the dustbin and rinsing washable filters. Dry fully before reinstalling, and store the unit upright with the cord wrapped. Make sure to check the brush roll and hose for hair or string wrapped around them. These common blockages reduce suction and cleaning performance. If suction still drops, remove and inspect the hose for clogs and the filter for buildup. If the brush head stops spinning, check the belt. A stretched or broken belt is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.